Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this stunning motion graphic animations in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already imported all the materials. The first one is the background. The second one is the globe. And the third one is this airplane green screen. So what you need to do is just add it into the CapCut PC timeline and make sure that you add the airplane green screen at the very top like this. Now you can just click on the airplane and here go to the remove background and enable the chroma key. Remove the green screen by click on the green screen and adjust the intensity to around 41. Okay, and now drag the plane here to the left. Okay, now you need to do the same with the globe. Use the chroma key and adjust the intensity to around 32. Okay, and after this, what you need to do is click on the airplane and set the scale. Here, go to basic and I'm going to adjust the scale to around 56. And now you can adjust the position. I'm going to go like this. And after that, here, click on the globe and go to animation. Choose combo and then you can just scroll down and then add this animations. Bisect domino 2. Adjust the durations to 1.5 seconds. Okay. And after this, turn the airplane so that it starts at 1.5 seconds like this. And now you can click on the airplane, go to video, basic, and then add a keyframe at the start on the scale and also position like this, and move 10 frames forward, and then here move the plane to the right like this, and now adjust the layer. Okay, it's already 2, so just leave it as it is. And then move the playhead again. Here. And now you can just drag the plane again to the right. Now to have a smoother animation, you can just right click on the clip and show keyframe animations here on the X. You can just click on the drop down and choose the auto curve. Like this, so it will have this smooth animations. Let's see the result. Okay, so that's it. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.